Hey everybody, Tom Foster here at Foster Web Marketing, here for Legal Leaders TV, and I'm really excited to have my good buddy John Fisher here. John, thanks a lot for joining us.
Of course.
John Fisher is a renowned medical malpractice attorney from New York, Kingston, New York?
Kingston, New York. It's upstate New York, near
Upstate New
Albany.
York.
Yes.
And John has been a client of Foster Web Marketing since 2009. We were just trying
Somewhere
to figure
around
that out.
there. Yeah.
And he's got an interesting story that some of you may relate to. So tell us a little bit about, we were just talking about this a minute ago before the camera started rolling, but how you came about. You were a student of Great Legal Marketing, you got involved with Great Legal Marketing, then you found out about us. You were at a big law firm. What happened?
Basically, I was a guy out on the street. As you know, my firm, I had worked for 14 years. I didn't know anything about technology, websites, none of that stuff. I met you at a Great Legal Marketing seminar in 2008. And what I did at that point is I basically researched all the webmasters in the country. And there was one thing that I found that was very unique about Foster Web Marketing was that you actually taught me how to use all this stuff. Everybody else just wanted a credit card, we'll bill you monthly, let us handle everything. You had a very unique approach from day one. You said, I'm going to give you all the great tools that you need, but I'm going to teach you how to use it. And that is a huge impact upon my business.
So you got involved with us, and you're with your big firm that you had been with for 14 years. Did it start taking off right away? Did it start working right away? Or tell us a little bit about what happened in that first year after working with us.
Right. So I'm doing my own thing while I'm a partner at this very prominent law firm. And I'm doing my thing, I'm working, and then finally what happens is in June of 2010, I get fired. Totally unexpected, I'm out, right? And
Some of you can relate to that.
So I'm out and I'm thinking to myself, what do I do now? And up to that point, I had tried to do a little bit here with internet marketing, a little bit of this, but I really wasn't all in at that point. And so in June of 2010, I just said, to hell with it. I'm all in. I'm doing everything. And I'm not holding back anything. I went to all of your seminars, your 3-day workshop that you had, everything. And things just, it was amazing. What began to happen to me, I was stunned. Because I never thought of myself as a rainmaker or a guy who could just bring in business. But all of a sudden, stuff started to change fairly quickly for me. Just building this over time, the results have been incredible.
So let's talk about some of those results and how you started changing as a lawyer. Because I mean, you're a medical malpractice lawyer up in New York, and so did you start adding content to the website, or what did you start doing that brought these cases to you?
Well, basically everything. What I found out, this is a little magic trick, is that if you write about very esoteric keywords, concepts, like for example, in cerebral palsy, there's a term called kernicterus. Nobody knows what kernicterus means, but I started writing about it. And it turns out I'm the only one on the web writing about kernicterus. Now, you wouldn't know what kernicterus, so nobody would know.
Unless somebody told me, and then I would go type it into Google.
Unless you had a child who had kernicterus,
Right.
and then you would be intimately familiar with the concept. So by writing about very esoteric terms, what I found out is the web is not flooded with this stuff. I'm the only one showing up for these concepts. Perforated esophageal dilation, there's not that much out there. I'm writing about it. So I started writing about all my cases, just the details. I didn't worry about keywords, having this word here, this word there. I just write great, valuable content. I flooded my website with the best content, and I gave everything away. And what I found out is not only that people appreciated it, they saw that I was the perfect lawyer for their case.
It's very interesting because that's what we've been preaching to lawyers for years and years and years. And one of the problems, and you know this problem too because you work with a lot of lawyers, is they have a hard time digesting that. They focus on, the keywords. They focus on, just the practice area itself instead of what you just said, which is answering the questions that people have, right?
Exactly.
And so by going out there and really just being natural in telling, this is what's going on out there, this is probably what's happened to your child or whatever condition, then people will type that into Google and naturally come to you, right?
Absolutely.
When many lawyers are going to invest a ton of money in New York medical malpractice lawyer for pay-per-click and all that kind of stuff.
The biggest mistake that lawyers make is they think it's about them. The consumers don't care about you and they don't care about me. But if you give them valuable information about a concept that is relevant to them, and you not just make it one thing, but you have a stream of articles and content and video that is written as if it's just for them, then you're going to get flooded with calls. And I'll tell you a story. Just 2 months ago, somebody in Arizona who was in a federal penitentiary called me about a case involving a delay in cancer diagnosis. I didn't know this guy. I'm not admitted to Arizona, but I said, I can help you out a little bit. Turns out the attorneys for the other side wanted to settle the case. So instead of referring it to another attorney, I settled it. And just in the last 2 or 3 months is an $850,000 settlement. That case I got because the inmate's daughter had called me about his case. She found out that I was the perfect lawyer for colorectal cancer. Now, I would never have had this case if not for your website, and that's a fee of over $200,000. But in the last year, I've gotten cases from all over the country, Maryland, Texas, you name it, that I don't have to spend a penny. In fact, it's been over 7 figures that I've made just through internet marketing out of New York State.
But no pay-per-click.
No paper.
No pay-per-click.
None.
Just yourself, adding content through DSS to your own website.
That's it. And just giving valuable content, not talking about myself, but trying to help people with their problems.
It's funny too because we just did a consultation about your new redesign that we're going through right now. And one of your adamant things that you were so adamant about is that John is like, don't make it about me, right? I don't want to have it at all about me. It's about what you do and who you do it for.
Exactly.
Right?
And so the concept here is when I see a lawyer website and it's got all the traditional stuff that you'd see, the lawyers with the multi-million-dollar settlements or recoveries say, no, I don't want that. I want something that's just about the consumers and giving them information that they want. And so I want them to look at the website as if it's completely unique, and they almost can't even tell it's a lawyer website. To me, that's a perfect lawyer website.
And you said something to me too when we were going over the consultation about what people comment on when they first get there, your testimonials. That's what they see right away. And it's endorsement from what other people say to you
Absolutely.
or say about you, correct?
Social proof is huge. And what I do is I put the social proof, the scrolling testimonials, on every single web page above the scroll. So, and usually what I like is not just John's a great lawyer, because that's nonsense.
Right.
But give some details about what I did for them. And most of the cases, it's cases that I turned down or declined, where they're saying, John answered all my questions. I was anguished over the death of my daughter, but he gave me peace of mind by solving these issues. And here is Joanne Smith from Austin, Texas. So we're giving the full name, the city, and the state, because that makes it authentic. And it is.
And so DSS and what we've taught you how to use it is what is the tool that allows you to add this content to the website in the way that it is done in order to attract these great cases, correct?
Well, the beautiful thing about DSS is that anyone who doesn't know anything about technology can do it. I have absolutely no technology background at all. I abhor technology. I don't like it. I let other people do it. But the beauty of this system is within probably about 5 to 10 minutes, I could learn the system. I could create web pages. I could add images to a web page. I could do anything that I wanted. And here I am, totally clueless. And there are people looking to me. I give seminars about internet marketing, and people laugh at that. They say, here's a guy who doesn't know anything about technology giving seminars about websites. But that's because of what Foster Web Marketing has taught me.
Well, thanks, John. And because of the success that you've had, ultimately, and it's because of your mindset about how you're attracting these perfect clients to you, right? I mean, it's all through natural, and I want to be very clear about this, it's all through natural, organic content, not about keyword. You don't even care about keywords, do you?
No, not at all. I just write great content. And let me just comment on one thing, Tom. It's like lawyers want the fanciest flash animation. They want all that stuff. They said, that's really cool. They got big pictures of them, sitting in a big car or something like that. That's nonsense. But the reality is, when you think about all the webmasters in the country, and I've seen all of them, I've researched all of them, what they'll do is they'll say, give us a credit card, let us bill it, and we'll take care of everything. And in my view, that's like maybe having a big fancy car that's sitting in your garage, but you don't really drive it or take it out on the road. What you've done for me is you said, I'm not just going to give you a Lamborghini. I'm going to give you the keys and I'm going to show you how to drive it. Now, if you drive it, that's up to you, or you could help as well. But the reality is you're the only webmaster. Foster Web Marketing is the only web company in the country that will show lawyers how to design and create websites and actually take that Lamborghini out on the road.
Well, thanks for saying that. And that's true. I mean, if you're not the kind of lawyer that wants to do it themselves, I mean, John wants to get in there and write his own content. Other lawyers, and that's great, there's plenty of firms out there that just want to stroke a check every month and have it all done for them just so they can practice law. You like doing both of them. You want to put the content in there, be involved, have the control, have the freedom to do it the way that you want to do it and be, instead of being told how to do it.
Well, and it's really not that hard. So what I do is I'll hire a team of law students at the law review of my local law school. And these law students, they're dying for work. So they'll write the copy. They do a better job than I could. And they're writing copy about local events, everything. And so when I'm busy in a trial, I don't have to write any content because this team of law students is writing it for me.
Because you're busy being a lawyer.
Of course.
But you've set up the system. And so let's talk about that, because you've published this book, The Power of a System, right? So tell us a little bit about why you wrote this book, John.
Okay. Goes back to being fired. In June of 2010, I got fired. And I was thinking, man, I got all this great stuff in my head about all these policies and systems that I had learned for creating a world-class personal injury law firm. But what good is it if it's just in my head? I got to get this stuff down on paper. So I started out on a beach in the summer of 2010. I started writing and writing. And over the course of 2 years, I created a manuscript. And my publisher said, we're going crazy because you keep adding new content. But I couldn't stop. And so I put everything that I know. They wanted 3 books. This is 3 books in one. I said, no, we're going to do 1 book, put everything in here, the technical, managerial, and entrepreneurial secrets that I have in my mind. Everything that I've learned is in here, and I didn't hold anything back. I want this for lawyers, but the surprising thing is it's not just young lawyers who like these concepts. It's often older, more experienced lawyers who say this really opens up new concepts that I've never thought of before, and that's what I wanted to do.
So why do you want to help lawyers? Why?
Because we go to law school, we learn all these theoretical concepts about torts, contracts, constitutional law. They don't teach us in law school how to run and operate our own business. They don't teach us how to get clients. They don't teach us how to manage a staff. We're out there on the street. Everyone assumes we know how to do that, but we don't. No one ever taught us that. And you don't learn that when you're working as an associate at a law firm. No one teaches you that. So the book here is, I've been through the pain. I've suffered miserably. I've made tons of mistakes. And what I want to do is give people the benefit of all the mistakes that I've made so they don't have to repeat them. In the book, I don't hold anything back here. I tell them exactly who I use for fulfillment providing, video, webmaster, Foster Web Marketing, Ben Glass, Great Legal Marketing. Everybody I've used, everyone I've learned with email addresses, phone numbers, the whole thing.
So all of the stuff that you've learned is in this book. And so how does a lawyer get a hold of this book?
Well, a lawyer could go to the website ultimateinjurylaw.com. You could buy it right there. That would be the preferred way. You can also get it off of Amazon if you'd like. They could simply call our number. It is 845-802-0047. They call us, and as a complimentary, they don't have to pay for it. We'll give you a free book. And we also, as a complimentary service, we add every lawyer who gets the book would be on our monthly newsletter, which is a hard copy newsletter called Lawyer Alert. So they'd get that as well.
And plus you do podcasts.
Do podcasts, The Ultimate Practice Builder for New York Injury Lawyers, with experts like you that we put on there on a monthly basis. So they could sign up for that through iTunes.
And you don't charge for any of this?
Nothing. And we have seminars too. So we do an internet marketing seminar for lawyers. That's held throughout New York State. There's a website called injurywebsites.com. They could sign up for that. We also teach lawyers how to use focus groups to prepare for trial. And that is an event that we hold throughout New York State. And the website is mindofinjury.com, where a lawyer could sign up for that seminar as well.
Well, folks, I'm telling you right now, this is one hell of a guy, John Fisher. I've known him for years, and he means what he says. He is a philanthropic gentleman who is really just trying to help out his fellow attorneys. And you're right, we hear about it all the time, about these struggles. You know, you're not taught about how to run a business, you're not taught about marketing, and you've done it. I mean, you've suffered, you came out in the same way, and so here's a system that pulls it all together. It's a great book, a fantastic read, and he's done it. I mean, like, the proof is in the pudding. He has worked very hard to get where he is. You've been fired, you come from the ground up, you know, and he's getting the cases and the clients that everybody's looking for. So learn his system. He's here to help you guys.
And Tom, if I may, none of this would have happened without you and Foster Web Marketing. So I really feel like what I have today is because of you. The results have been amazing. For all the lawyers out there who are saying, I couldn't be a rainmaker, I couldn't get all these big cases in, well, I'm here to tell you that you can do it. And the way to do it really is by learning all of the principles that you're giving away, all the information. It's right here. It's just a matter of taking action.
Right, listening, and you're right, taking action. Doing what people tell you to do. It's easy. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. Well, John, thank you so much for coming in. Thanks a lot for being a great client, for being loyal, and helping other lawyers become better lawyers.
Absolutely.
Okay, buddy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Once again, Tom Foster at Foster Web Marketing with Legal Leaders TV with my buddy and great client, friend, John Fisher. If you would like to refer some cases to John or talk to him about your cases, I'm sure he'd talk to you about that. But go to his website and get this great book. It will help you out. Till next time, take care.